Once in a bustling city, there lived a renowned potter named Elias. His creations were celebrated for their beauty, yet his life was marked by adversity. After losing his wife to illness, Elias faced the world with a heavy heart, consumed by grief and anger. One evening, as he shaped a lump of clay, a wise old woman visited his workshop. She observed him for a while, then said, "Elias, your hands have the power to mold this clay, just as your mind has the power to shape your thoughts." Intrigued, he paused and asked, "What do you mean?" "The clay doesn't resist your will. It simply submits," she explained. "Embrace the same mindset. Accept what you cannot control, the loss, the pain. Focus instead on how you respond." Inspired by her words, Elias began to practice this stoic mindset. Each day, he would sit in silence before his work, reflecting on the impermanence of life. He learned to appreciate the beauty in each moment, even amidst sorrow. As he crafted his pottery, he infused it with his newfound perspective. Each piece told a story of resilience, capturing both joy and heartache. His work transformed, resonating deeply with those who encountered it. Elias found peace not in forgetting his past, but in accepting it. His pottery became a testament to the strength of the human spirit, reminding others that, like clay, we can be reshaped by our thoughts and choices. In the end, Elias didn't just create beautiful art. He became a beacon of Stoicism, inspiring others to embrace their struggles and mold their own lives with intention.